what the animal this is? Elephant. Elephants are the world's largest land animal and can weigh up to 6,000 kilograms on average.
Don't forget to subscribe!
Okay, next. Eagle.
Yes.
Eagle's vision has the sharpest eyes of any animal kingdom. They can spot a rabbit from 2 miles away. Okay, let's do another one. Cheetah. Yes, you are right. Cheetahs are the fastest land mammal in the world and can reach speeds up to 75 miles per hour. Moving on to the next one. Lion. Lions are carnivores and can eat up to 40 kilograms of meat in a single meal. Giraffe.
Look!
Giraffes are the tallest mammals on Earth. Their legs alone are taller than many humans. Zebra. Zebra have distinct black and white stripes and are untamable wild nature. Can you guess what the animal this is? Gorilla. Did you know that fully grown gorillas are actually stronger than 20 adult humans combined? Okay, next. Tiger. Unlike most cat family members, tigers are good swimmers and like water so much. Swan. Swans typically pair up with a partner for life, or at least until the end of one of the pair's lives. Horse. Horses can sleep standing up thanks to a special locking system in their legs.